So, I'm gonna go with the Harleys. Okay, intake. We need a big ass shim. So, we'll take our Harley collar. The exhaust we don't need to shim, they're plenty. They're close enough, they're only within 20 of what we need. But the other one we're at least 60 too much. So get down in here and these big fat, look how fat those things are. Those are gotcha ones. Obviously I trimmed that down for a reason. Probably because it doesn't fit. A sportster or something, who knows. Maybe it didn't fit a big twin. Okay, that appears to fit in there nicely. This one here, that appears to fit in there good too. I did put the radius side down. Okay, so we'll keep that for somebody else who needs it. I know that's a problem on some big twin collars. Okay, these appear to be working pretty good. Okay. So now we're going to measure it and see if we have anything left to work with, because this guide is shorter than this guide, and it's got a taper on it. Doesn't leave much for a valve seal, but there's room on there for a seal. Okay. Alright, let's see if that works. Whoa. What the hell happened there? Way short. He didn't want any shim in there. It's like 250. If even that much. I had 300, 1.3. One hell. Why did that measure so much difference? Three. What's up with that? If in doubt, check it again. Something's wrong. 315, 310. It's actually a little bit more than the intake. I have no idea why it changed so much. Okay, so the intakes are not sunk way deep. They're sunk exactly what they need to be. So when I cut the heads, I couldn't do my good job. So what did I measure? Something was wrong. What did I measure wrong? 1.3. 1.280. I don't know. One thing I figure I fell off the valve guide, went all against the head. Okay. She's tight. Alright, I don't know. Something happened. Either way, the exhaust is getting that bad spring. Not getting that though. So that exhaust can have that 800 spring. And that one. Those keepers are fine. We'll get a couple more over there for now. Okay, that's for the front head. Takes about 1.280 again. Exhaust 1.320. Exhaust is what's sunk, not the intake. I don't know. It's hard to get good help, that's all I can say. Let's see here. Still about 650 on that. This one. Tighter. 640. So the guides are all the right height and everything was cut correctly. I have no idea where the other number came from before. I measured something wrong. Obviously. Not sure what. I'll go ahead and measure this intake just to make sure we got the clearance that we think we got. Got 280. We need a 265, 275, so we're right there. I ground the seats a second time, so that's probably got an extra 15 or 20 in there. It's a good thing though, I like a little extra. Okay. Intake, intake, intake. We know the exhaust is thicker, so it's fine. No shims. Okay, it goes to go without shims. Alright, we'll be back.